Nagko-collect kasi ako ng mga figures and yun yung pinaka-expensive hobbies ko. 'Pag may nakita akong bagong figure, nag-impulse buy ako.
Planning my financial goals, but then hindi siya nasusunod kasi may other gastos like kunwari may lumabas na bagong video game, other, stuff that I like with my hobbies, kunwari sapatos din po, volleyball, stuff like those. So ayun po, nawawala rin yung progress ko in my financial goals. So laging back to zero, laging back to day one, kaya ayun po, hindi natutupad.
Pagka nakakita ako ng computer parts, bili agad. And as IT rin po.
Mahilig po gumastos sa game.
Magastos, mahilig mag-food trip.
Hindi ko napapansin kung saan pumupunta yung pinagagastusan ko.
Usually, we considered kasi with a lot of budgeting, no, in terms of yung mga gastusin. So, kuripot kami. We are known for being kuripot.
Pagiging magastos po. Kung anong nakita maganda, yun po yung binibili.
Ma-overthink. So when it comes to financial aspects, medyo wini-weigh niya yung options or yung magiging pros and cons ng isang bagay.